Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Range Rover Evoque. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on, like so, and then we're looking out at the bottom. But if we go over to the system, click the telephone, you'll see there's no phone connected. Connect to device now, yes. So we're watching out at the bottom there. That Osmo Action is a camera that's, actually it's that camera that's videoing this. Search for Bluetooth devices, search for Bluetooth. So that's looking, should come up Range Rover Evoque sooner or later. It's pulled up Barry's iPhone there and Range Rover Evoque there. So I'll click on Barry's iPhone on the system, pairing Barry's iPhone. Does this passkey match 857454? Yes it does, so we'll pair and click yes. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. I'm not going to do it in this because I won't be using it again, but you would. That's it, connected there, and it's also connected on the dash here.